My name is Andrea Montepara. I'm a maintenance engineer working in chlor-alkali industry. I'm part of Società Chimica Bussi, where I support plant reliability, maintenance planning, and safe operation of critical equipment. I really enjoy the variety of my job. In fact, not today are the same. Every day, my work focuses on keeping the production facilities running efficiently and reliably. What I like most about my job is the combination of teamwork and technical challenges. I chose to work in chlor-alkali industry because it's a strategic sector that produce essential products for many other industries. It's an industry that play a key role in everyday life and requires high technical skills and knowledge that I find motivating as an engineer. To manage the maintenance of this type of system, knowledge of materials is essential. I would tell to young people that chlor-alkali industry offers a great opportunity to learn, grow, and work with the advanced technologies. It's a challenging but rewarding environment where safety, responsibility, and teamwork are very important.